Hello, welcome to today's session, how to find out an LCM and GCD by using an Excel function. But before that, let's clear the concept of LCM and the GCD. First, we will discuss the GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Now we have three values as a 6, here it is 8, here it is 2. Now, to find out an LCM and GCD, we'll first find out the factors of all these three values. So, as we all know, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, right? Similarly, 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is equal to 2 into 1, right? Now, what is GCD? GCD is the common factor from all of this. That is, here 2 is the common factor. So, GCD is equal to 2. Now, similarly, what is LCM? LCM is equal to common factor into uncommon factors. Uncommon factors. Here we have 2 as a common factor. From the first value 3 is uncommon factor. So let's take 3 into, from second value 2 into 2, they are uncommon, 2 into 2. Here from 2, 1, that is 1. So let's multiply all these factors. 2 into 3 is 6, into 2 12, into 2 24. So we have LCM as a 24. Now how to find it out? By using an Excel sheet. It's very easy. You just have to use an LCM and GCD function to find out the values. Let's see. Now, as per the previous discussion of LCM and GCD, now we have three values, values 1, values 2 and the values 3. We have to find out the LCM as well as the GCD. LCM is least common multiple, GCD is greatest common divisor. Okay, now we have three values, 6, 8 and 2. We already discussed how to find out it manually. Now we have a formula that is equal to LCM and the values. First number is, now here it is B4, comma C4, comma D4. Okay, just enter. See, LCM is 24. Similarly, for the GCD, formula is simple, GCD and the number again B4, comma C4, comma D4 and enter. We'll find it as a 2. Okay, thank you.